You know, a lot of y'all are talking trash to me from anonymous pages, and you want me to take you seriously when you don't even take yourself seriously enough to say what you want to say with your face, your name, and your whole chest. Even if it's to just me. Marshallese people don't got no business dabbling in politics because politics and money don't mix. Politics is all about debate and what the people want. Every politician is a public servant. But y'all don't listen to the people, so what the hell are we doing? Everybody keeps talking about manut. That manut, which one? Our actual original manut or the manut that was entirely replaced by Christianity? Which manut are we talking about? Because if we were really going along with the actual manut, certain people would not be in positions of power, if you know what I'm saying. So a lot of the feedback I've been getting have been negative and positive between classes and generations. So no, I didn't laugh at the fact that everything is on fire. I laughed at the fact that the reason why everything is on fire because everybody has been doing everyone else dirty. That's what's funny. It's funny because y'all thought you could get away with it. I'm laughing from a spiritual standpoint because we always want to acknowledge that our own Marshallese spirits are strong, but then we do stuff like this to each other. So this is like giving me the experience that I'm speaking butterfly language to caterpillar people. And at the same time, arguing with fobs makes me feel like none of us have any business speaking English. So the situation at hand, we have no control over it. Obviously, it's out of our hands. But what we can do is prepare ourselves for what's coming. Brace for impact. Because we don't know what's to come now after all those documents and files have been burned. So we're going to really see if we're actually going to go back and follow back the money, or are we going to continue to use this system the way we've been using it. I'm aware that I have pissed off a few thousand people, but y'all are not about to go back to the same behavior of ganging up on one person for disturbing the status quo. So I have no choice but to just let everybody be mad and feel how they feel. Because with or without me and my videos and my opinions, the truth is still going to come out into the light. Every single thing you hide in the dark is always going to come out to the light, no matter how long you try to hide it. And that's the message.